Just look at what are the gross profit or profitability, how we consider this as a factor in doing the menu pricing. The profitability or the gross profit is a very important aspect in doing the pricing, because in doing the business itself, because you don't want to run your business into the losses. So first let's understand what is a gross profit. The gross profit is means that it's a net revenue minus excluding of tax and service charge, minus the variable cost to earn that particular revenue. So that becomes the gross profit. The variable cost may include food cost, may include your operational cost, may include your collection cost, amenities that you are providing, napkin, flowers, or other things that you are providing in the restaurant. The collection charges, maybe for collecting the credit card you have to pay the merchant discount rate for 1%, 2%, 3%. You may have to pay online booking engines. If you, let's say you are getting online bookings, software might be charging you a certain percentage of your revenue. So those are the variable costs which are increasing or decreasing depending on your business volume. So it doesn't change by each transaction, or sorry, it does change by each transaction, is not a fixed cost. So that becomes the gross profit. Now the gross profit, after the gross profit we have to deduct the profit percentage. So the profit percentage will depend on the overheads. So profit from the gross profit will be difference between the gross profit minus the our fixed cost and overheads, which may includes our rentals. Our rentals can be fixed and plus the variable percentage. For example, in certain malls you might be paying a fixed rental, let's say 5%, $5 per square feet, or $3 per square feet, plus a 5% or 10% of your revenue as a rental. So the rental will be in two portions. So your gross profit, some variable portion will go to the gross profit calculation, and the rentals will be the fixed portion will come as a overheads. Uniforms, your, because the uniforms are fixed expense. Your salaries, some restaurants do the salary in combination as a fixed percentage, fixed salary plus a percentage of the revenue, or as an incentive, or as service money. But more a lot of restaurants, because of labor law, provide only the fixed salary. So you have to understand what are the component of salaries in your business. And the utilities. Utilities may be fixed or can be variable depending on depending on the business. So for example, if your restaurant is compartmentalized in terms of the breakout rooms or in terms of private rooms, then those private rooms aircon and other things will not be used when there is no guest. So for that particular option, it will be variable. Now there will be cost in the kitchen. So you may have been running the ovens, you may have been running the bakery equipments, or the other things which are run by electricity. So your utilities will be low when you have low business, your utilities will be high when you have high business. But there will be certain fixed costs, for example air cons, lighting, or certain freezers, chillers, which are necessary to keep your raw material safe. So those will be the fixed portion, and the rest will be the uh, variable portion. So you have to understand, have to determine how much is fixed and how much is the rental. Now let us look at a template, how we are going to use this in our calculation.